well with loud noises. How about we can plug our ears a little bit, okay? Zach's gonna do it for us here, okay?
We were very excited to join this initiative to bring this to the school for many reasons, to make sure that kids know what we do in the community as emergency services, how to call 911 if needed.
My favorite part was seeing my friend Connor and Allie go on the stretcher.
I think they're taking, I would like to think that they're taking the message that they're in charge. It's about them being safe and what they can do to be safe. Use the word empower. Empower them to be good people, strong people, safe people.
Being online by yourself and there's more people, don't talk to them. I would say that if there's an accident, just call 911.
The principal is really good about keeping the parents informed leading up to this event about what the topics would be, what the content would be, so that they could have conversations at home.
I think too, like in addition to the school and all of the support and the time that they have provided for this event, just acknowledging like the time that our community partners have all provided to the event is really important too. All of the work that they've done sort of in advance, ensuring that sessions were interactive and engaging, and thinking about the messages that can go home in those resources. We really owe a huge thanks to our community partners for